Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm playing 100-meter obby, but you're a bird.
Yeah, you can glide.
Yes.
You can't fly.
Demon, I made it to the end once. 100 meters. It was like a party, but like I didn't get to see it. That was today that she made it, but I'm gonna try to this time. Demon, what you want to eat? Oh my god. Oh, I got the checkpoint over here. Yay. Okay, where do I go? I don't go there. Wait, do I go here? No, I don't think so. But how did I get up here? Oh, from there. Okay, yeah, I go here. Look at how close I was to touching that. We literally make a duck sound every time we jump. Let me show you guys. It's beautiful. Uh-oh, I fell.
He found the back room, boy.
Now I'm not gliding at this point. Now I'm just falling. Timina, what are you doing? Please turn that off. That's traumatizing. Okay. Stop, Dimana. Please. Please, I'm trying to record. Bro's having a party. No.
I'm a girl.
She'll never get it, guys. She'll never get it.
I want chocolate.
Dimana, you were not eating chocolate. No, Dimana, don't take the chocolate.
I took a bite already.
Dimana!
You're not my mom. No, speed gossip.
Dimana, those are the last pieces of chocolate in that package.
Like 10 more chocolate bars.
Yeah, but like in that package. Do you go up here or something? I don't remember. I played this game. Oh yeah, there's a checkpoint here. I'm at 28 meters, 29, 27, 28. Okay, this gets very confusing. It's your meters. Bruh. That was so close. So you're saying this entire time I could have just jumped? Bruh. Could have just went here this entire time? There, that's where you go.
Someone. You can't eat children. The witch and Hansel and Gretel. Yum yum.
Dimana, so are you hungry? Are you gonna eat food or what? So you can't have chocolate.
I'm not.
You're eating chocolate. Put it back. Oh, great. She has it in her mouth fully now. Bro, what's up with these Grimace videos? I feel so bad for him. All he's trying to do is share his birthday with us, so we'll be happy too. Hey, bro.
Who made that trend though?
I don't know. Whoever did, I am so mad. Because, I mean, Grimace doesn't deserve this. Like, Grimace deserves so much better for literally trying to share his birthday with us so we can have fun too. I mean, he deserves better, guys. Isn't that true now? Like, that's so true. I just feel so bad. Happy birthday, Grimace. Okay, where do we... Uh-oh, we were supposed to go up there. Made it, finally. Where do I go? I think I go over here. Yes, there's a checkpoint. Spinning clouds. Woohoo! Listen to the beauty. Oh, I forgot you guys can't listen. I'll stay spinning on this one and I will turn on the sound. That was the sound. Beautiful. Okay. Anyways. Whee. Okay. Gosh. Bro, why can't I get up? I think you're supposed to get up. Where are you? Oh my gosh. Over here? Okay. People who struggle with ladders in this game, this part, RIP for you. I didn't know there were chairs up in the sky. Okay, and now I'm gonna let you listen to the clouds again. This is the beautiful noise of the clouds.
Pluto.
Stop. Okay, there. That was the sound. I think we're going the right direction because, I mean, yeah, we're over here and I feel like we're near this thing, and spikes, so we are definitely correct. King Duck Shrine, please be respectful. Is this respectful, huh? Is this respectful? I'm jumping on him. Dimana, it says please be respectful. Is this respectful?
God, yes.
That's the most respectful thing ever.
Yes.
King's Duck Party, look at, you did 100 meters. That's the end. We're 59. Now 60 meters. Whee! Okay, I got checkpoint. I'm gonna oof on these. I'll spawn right next to them.
Oh, excuse
Dimena, what are you listening to?
I might need to unsubscribe. I never heard that before. I promise. What's that? Right?
Hehe, I'm making this easy.
You wish, ma'am.
This is the best thing ever. I'm being so respectful. Wee.
OMG.
Wait, what are we supposed to do?
Espanol.
We're supposed to go up there or something. No, I don't think you're supposed to go up here. That means you're supposed to go over here, but I'm confused now. We're not over here, right? Yeah, but then over here, what are you supposed to do? Oh, there. That's what you need to do. Perfect. This section is really only good luck. Okay. Thank you for the good luck. Woo! I love these. Wait, is there a checkpoint?
Daisy mirror.
Is there a checkpoint? No, there's no checkpoint. Dang it. I'm gonna cry. I really want that checkpoint, but there's no checkpoint. Where? Long jump. Okay, I think, yeah, we're supposed to jump to that target. I got 100 points. Yay! 0 points. Bad. Yeah, we're supposed to go over here. Magical cloud. You guys already know the sound. Wait, I don't think we're supposed to go over here. Oh, shoot. What do we do? Down back here again. Are we supposed to go up here? Jump over here. Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure though. No, I don't think we go here. This is so Damon, I'm confused. Where do you go? Like, bruh, do you go up there or there? Where?
I don't know.
Damon, I'm wearing headphones. Please don't yank them off.
You're supposed to go in this. Then go here.
Then over here, right?
Yes.
That's what I did. Then over here. Then where do you go when you're up here? Tiffany, you made it to the end. You should know.
I know I should, but like. Like a duck.
Yeah, because I am.
Oh, you look here. You go over there.
Thank you. Credit to Damona.
The bumblebee. Yeah, I don't.
Whee! I'm a duck. I have to try to. Okay, there, I got it. I'm pretty sure you go on this. Oh, that person's asking for help. Oh. No, I fell. Okay, guys, I might do a part 2, but it's only because I'm mad. Jeez, Damena.
Not even right.
You're not a YouTuber. You don't know how it feels.
Well, I used to be.
You used to be, but you would only make YouTube shorts. That's why you only had 50 subscribers.
I had 53.
50, 53, not much of a difference, hon.
3% different.
This girl's never gonna learn, like, bro. Damon, what do you do, like, bruh? I'm on this part again because I oofed. Oh, you go here, I forgot. Go here. Wait, right? And here. Here.
My brother told me a joke. I laughed to tears. He told me the same joke again and I laughed, but not as hard. He kept repeating the joke and I stopped laughing. He said, if you can't keep laughing at the same joke, why do you keep crying over people who hurt you?
This is so hard. Well, for me anyway. Jump.
Gaga goosebumps. What?
Okay,
I
this
will
is
eat
really
you.
difficult.
Oh, what the hell?
That duck was going back. I don't know what he was doing. We were here magic clouds. I'm not even near them. Like how? No, it's so annoying, bro. There's something wrong. I'm not even near magic clouds, but I can hear them literally so loud in my headphones. But you guys can't right now.
How do you spell Kusnikova?
K-U-Z-N-E-C-O-V-A.
I'm just so stuck about the E. Oh my god, your profile picture is so cute.
Yeah, I know. No, that showed me how to put that.
Maybe she doesn't want to be on it. Oh my god. Back to the school box switch up my face.
Okay, guys, you go to back to school box switch up, and then look at Dimena's face.
I was like, hello.
Like after you're finished watching this video, if you want to continue watching, you don't gotta though.
Made a switch.
Jump.
Editing. No.
Stop, Dimena. Turn that off. Why am I cringing so much?
My star.
No, not this level. Yes, no way, I made it first try. I was so stuck on that one the first time I played this game. I've never made it to the end though. Yeah, it's this way. There's spikes and we all know what that means. Bro! Now I have to reset. Now I have to try this again because I fell on that part.
You know a big hit on a big thing to do when you're filming videos?
What?
Like put your phone like this, not like this, so there won't be these two black lines.
Okay.
When you're filming.
Okay. Jump. Dimena's always so silly.
Who's eating a brain with her?
Yay, I got a checkpoint.
My favorite song.
Wait, so we made presents for each other that day, or did we not? The what?
Christmas. You said for my birthday.
Okay, I don't know where to go.
I'm so hungry.
Oh, we go over there. Yes.
Do we have any bread?
Yeah, we have bread in the kitchen, Dimena. We don't put our bread in the pantry.
You're such a liar. There's no bread in here.
I don't know then. Maybe Dad ate it all.
Oh my god, why is it in the fridge?
Oh yeah, Mom put it in there. She doesn't want it to rot, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, but Mom put it in the fridge for. I have no idea why. I was literally like, Mom, where's the bread? And she was like, oh, it's in the fridge. I thought we had no more bread, and I was like, oh, I want a sandwich, but there's no bread. And she was like, yeah, we have bread. And I'm like, where is it? Why is it not in here? How? I didn't even land on that platform. King Duck's party ahead. Yeah, I'm at 90.
So close. Mamma mia. See, it's good you didn't make a part 2.
Are you supposed to jump onto that?
No, you're not.
Okay, where do we go?
Now you're supposed to jump onto it. And then go.
Bro, what are we supposed to... Oh.
I know how to do that one very well. Need your money, money, money. Go do that one when...
Jimena, I'm confused. Bro, Jimena, can you do this one for me?
Okay, I'll try.
If you fall, I will be so mad.
I probably will, but... I need your money, money, money. I made it.
Thank you so much. Okay, now I go on this, I'm guessing. Because there's a ladder here. And I'm pretty... Well, you are being... I made it!
Not that interesting. Oh my god, Golden Duck's back.
Missing
It's not
Gina.
ready yet. It's not ready yet.
The biggest bird known to man. Stop! Why are you putting my hair in your mouth? What the heck? Jeez, now my hair will spit all over it. What the heck?
Sorry, you were gonna take a shower today.
You were too.
No, I wasn't. Did you fart on your hair?
Okay, I'm leaving now since I made it. So, bye guys. See you another day. Love you. Bye.
Why do you love that?